Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus number 2 equals to secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have secant of t square minus 1. Later that we change by tan t square, and then we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. Dx we change by this one. This one we change by tan t square. The square root of tan t square we have tan t. This one we simplify and we have secant of t dt. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put about t equals to secant of s plus 2. So we know that secant of t equal to s plus number 2. So I will put this one to change for this one in here. Tan t, we change this one for t. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.